How to delete voicemail on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete a voicemail on your iPhone. So before we get started, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first step is you'll need to head over to your phone app. So this is the phone app right here. Open that up, and on the bottom right corner you should see an option called voicemail. Now since I don't have voicemail on my phone, I'll show you guys how it looks like. So this is what it should look like. You should see voicemail on the bottom right. Tap on that, and when the voicemail opens up, what you'll then need to do is simply you'll need to swipe left on your voicemails, and there you'll find the delete button. Tap on delete and delete the voicemail, and it's that simple. And that is how you delete a voicemail on iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.